What's going on, everybody? Here we are trying out the White Rabbit cocktail smoker kit from OC. That be outdoor core, right? So we're gonna see what we got. As you can see, you got your cherry, oops, pecan, apple, oak. And you got your flame right on the whatever you want to smoke in your cocktail, right? That be Jameson and Coke. So you get your little sit right there, right? And I want to do what I want to do. Let's do cherry. I like to taste cherries. What boy? Calm down now. And then you take and you put a couple pieces of cherry down in your. See, it comes with a little strainer right there. See, you got holes down there. See them holes? Get them holes down in there, and then you put the strainer in there like right there, and then you put your wood in there. See, put my wood in there. Yeah, I need more wood. I like wood. Put my wood in there. You know, a couple more pieces. I like. Huh? You get in there too. I like to break mine up. Oh, that. Oh, there's plenty down in there now. Okay. That's your cherry, see. You got your cherry, your pecan, your apple. Don't forget about your yolk right there. You got your yolk right there. Okay, but we ain't doing all that. Okay. Now, let me get this out. That's a big one. Okay. Oh, we're gonna take. See that smoke coming out in your watch? Oh, easy. Watch. And you put your lid on the watch. Look at the smoke getting in there. See the smoke getting in there? Right. Okay. I guess you just let it sit for a minute or two. See that smoke down in y'all? Look. Now I did this last night, and I near about drank my whole damn bottle of damn Jameson with the, which one did I have? The apple. The whole damn, I just drank about half a damn bottle gone. I should have brought the bottle and showed you. But look, I usually leave it on about that minute long. Look yonder. Oh, the aroma that you get. You know, I take mine and stir a little bit. But that's kind of like you've been in a swamp somewhere canoeing, been fishing or something like that, and you get back to the campsite, and you sitting around the campfire, and you pour you a stiff drink, but you ain't putting no smoke, and the smoke from the fire comes up. I could take. I like that. I'm torn between the damn cherry and the damn apple. I'm going to have to go on to the other two because I'm going to drink my whole bottle of Jameson. But anyway. White Rabbit. Outdoor core. Get you some. Let's get it.